My beautiful people, I don't come again with the latest update concerning this corona anal test. I tell una before, una think say na joke. I don't come now with the video because for una we never know how they bend, wetin they put inside, how it look like. I beg, join me, make we watch the video.
在新冠肺炎病例刚出采集时候，请大家着2级防护。我这是为了演示，所以穿了个1级。然后采肛水的时候，拿咱们这个病毒采样管，然后先主病人找一个合适的位置做一个支撑，然后把双腿岔开，然后告诉他一个注意事项，告诉他放松，然后咱们开始采集。采集的时候让他放松，然后用咱们这个就采烟式的这个烟式的棉签儿，然后让它捅进肛门，捅进去之后2-3厘米，然后转3圈，然后拿出来看有没有颜色改变，有的话插到咱们这管里。
See how my body they do me somehow. The imagination alone on how that thing go be like. E be like say make I just faint, make I no wake up again. Wetin be this? Wetin I just see now? My people, now I dey see politicians don't see us finish. You know understand? Like they don't see their citizens. They don't turn us to fowls. We look like fowls for their eye. No value. Chineke. Hey. And no, the thing say wey dey pay me, if na only fowl wey they don't see us as, at least we go just know say okay na this thing. But now they enjoy. They make us to look foolish. They enjoy on top. Which kind of life be this? No, how? So for them now we look stupid. See, last, China don't mad oh. Last. Hey! Wahala. This anal testing. See, my people, they need dead. But because of the corrupt psychopath politicians, human beings now, we dey forced now to bend and take this thing anyhow. If you ask me, we don't need them. Just like that, they could they bring different things. See, this thing is psychological humiliation. Allow me speak this English, because now so my body they do me now. COVID just they confuse people anyhow. Since when Corona come, not be just these people. Everybody they think say they get solution. Everybody thinks say na like this we supposed to do. Everybody want rule. Everybody, I don't just dey understand wetin happen. My people, anything can happen in this life. No trust human beings. Anything. See, if I tell you now last 2 years or last year, no, last year sef even dey close. Last 2 years, if I been sit una down, tell you say, my people, by this time, they go dey check una anus. Una no go tell me say I dey mad. No, most of una say una go insult me finish. See am. E dey here, and this one sef na just the beginning. Na only God know wetin go come happen before this year go end. If we don't start with anus, na be say we go end up with wetin? I no just dey understand. See, me nobody deceive una. Politicians no love una o. This love why they laugh. They no love una. And after they told this thing, I not just they talk about African politicians. Worldwide. Everybody they think of their selfish interest. Human beings fit change anytime, and they capable of anything. Once they put fear in human being body, wetin they no fit do? They feel even, in fact, they feel even humiliate themselves, deny themselves. Nothing. Fear na very dangerous something. Fear. Once fear don't enter human being heart or mind, they don't defeat that person. Nothing wey you fit do, because see, una suppose dey very careful this period. Because now people they use media spread fear everywhere. Na true talk. Fear everywhere. People don't use media. They use media. They strategize, especially all those people where they for top. If they see, if I tell una, say malaria, they more dangerous than coronavirus, una go believe? No. But we don't live with malaria for how many years, decades? Nobody take us serious. Why? Because they not do propaganda the way they do this corona. Hi. Where even before you even look now, you dey careful. Say, make I no look something wey go give me corona. But malaria, we don't live with malaria since. Meanwhile, malaria even dey dangerous more than this corona. But because they don't spread them, they don't put fear for our body. Now everybody want see my people. I they told this thing now with a very are they very very serious? Una don't even they see my teeth. Una supposed to be very careful. You understand? Now they don't try first lockdown. Some countries don't even do up to 2 lockdown. You never do them. And all this lockdown will happen. They don't, because see, una supposed use una head. They use all these things, they plan their evil things. All these lockdowns will happen. Now test where they test. they test because they plan how they go take over. So they don't say this fair lockdown, we don't succeed. You understand? They define how to control people. As I they told to Nana for New York, the mayor don't already come outside now say, may they put another lockdown. No, say that one. Ask me the reason. Because of what? Snow. He say, snow go plenty and people not supposed to come outside because of snow. Una know how long snow don't exist. Even before they born many of una, snow don't they exist since. So how come now all of a sudden? And snow, they get the ones we come where people you don't even feel breathe. But yet people still they go work, people still they do their things. But now, no, we cannot think. Why now? And why snow can't be the reason? See, they won't take una freedom. They won't take control. Now why you see all these things they happen? Everybody just they bring their own reason. Una suppose waiting. Sharp. See, no be say na matter for another decade or 5 years time. It dey happen now, my people. These people, they don't sit down, they don't plan. You don't understand? They don't plan, say, okay, how we fit take over, how we fit take their freedom. Politicians want take una freedom. See, una suppose sit up. Una understand me? Because now, from this Anna thing, now only God know where we dey enter. Now why una suppose see every day I dey tell una this thing every day. No dey live your life like say you no get anything to do. See, serious thing you suppose in fact at this time say you suppose take your prayer life serious. So if not, you just say everybody go just dey dismiss. These people they smart. They see China. China are they call on you now. Una never tell us what una dey find. At least come outside, tell us what you they find, because all these strategies and different reasons they give us. Me, I know the understand that. I don't know for una, but me, I know the understand that. My people, now why I bring this case come on a table? Because this case, we need discuss them seriously and it need go viral. Now, why you need share this video? And I still want to know what you think. So drop her for the comment section because this matter they very. In fact, I even want you serious, but I go use dangerous. This matter is very dangerous. So don't forget, share this video, click on that notification bell so that you don't go miss any important thing when we drop. Love you guys. See you later.